Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Do you like dosa? It takes a long time to prepare dosa batter traditionally. Today we will take a look at a faster way to prepare this batter. It takes about 10 minutes only and tastes almost the same as traditional recipe. What are we waiting for? Let's go to Dapur Shaila. For this recipe, we only need 6 ingredients. First, in a blender, mix 1 cup of rice flour, half a cup of cooked rice, 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend all these ingredients with a little water to form a fine batter. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos from Dapur Shaila. Pour this batter into a bowl. We will need a thick texture similar to this. Add 1 packet of unflavored ENO into this mixture. In a few moments, this batter will rise to almost double its volume. This texture is similar to the texture of traditional batter after an overnight fermentation. Heat a tawa over medium fire. Once it's hot, drizzle a few drops of cooking oil and spread it around with a tissue paper. It's also common to use an onion cut in half to spread the oil. Pour about half a cup of batter and shape it into a dosa. Try to get it as thin and as big as possible. I'm using a 31 cm non-stick tawa. It is big enough and very suitable for making dosa. Drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil or cooking oil on top and around the dosa. Cover and let it cook for a few minutes. If you prefer, you can also leave it to crisp a little. Once done, remove and fold it in half. Another method is to let it cook for a few minutes without covering and then flipping to cook the other side. Continue with the remaining batter. Okay, our express dosa are ready to be served. It is very tasty to enjoy with coconut chutney or brown sugar. Don't forget to watch the video for the chutney recipe. That's all for today's recipe. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for my latest recipes. And don't forget to like, comment and share.